Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix this problem you have on your PayPal app. So all you have to do to fix it on your settings, so just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you here in this list, and all you have to do now, so you just go down here until you find here apps, you will click on it. So then it's going to take you here in this window. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here. So you keep going down here to find your PayPal app. So you just keep going down here and you can search for it too. You click here on PayPal. So then it's going to take you here in this list, and all you have to do now, just click here on force stop here and you click here on OK. Then you go down here, you click here on storage here, then you come to storage list here, then you click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do now, so just restart your phone and it's going to work with you. So please don't forget to put like on this video if I help you. So that's all. I wish you a great, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.